What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the GBoard voice dictation not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, check your microphone opening. So if your phone case or anything else is covering the microphone opening from the bottom of your phone, then remove your case and any other thing that is covering the microphone, and after that clean your microphone. And after cleaning your microphone, if you are still facing the issue, then check your internet connection. So to check the internet connection, open a browser and then open a website. If the website is running smoothly, it means your internet connection is good, but if it's not loading the website, it means your internet connection is the issue. So fix your internet connection, and after fixing the internet connection, if you are still facing the same issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon. Now click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting, the voice dictation issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.